Okay, back to trying to get the job defined for um, the first stage in the pipeline, which is just having an AI agent go through my website, and before it goes to the last stage, which is to compose a tweet. Now, you want to get some data from the previous stage, and the previous stage is visit and analyze um, prospects profile, right? So I'm creating a kind of like a class that defines the structure of the data that would be passed in from this third stage to the next stage, which is the visit and analyze prospect profile stage, over to the analyze my website, RAG over my website. RAG is retrieval augmented generation. I'm just saying go over my website and use it as a source, or use it as a source of information or context. So back to defining the class, I want the tweet that comes from, because I'm going to be replying in the fourth, in the last stage, I'm going to be replying to a tweet after analyzing the prospect's profile. I'm going to pick a tweet from their profile and reply to that tweet. I want the tweet, the URL to that tweet, and then I don't need the author's URL. Um, I think that's about it. I'd also need the analysis, profile analysis. Okay. Remember, a terrible. Keep in mind, I'm a terrible Python person. I barely know what I'm doing. So if you see me writing some terrible Python code, forgive me. Okay, next step, analyze profile. Right here, we're running. This is what takes care of launching an AI agent on the browser and visiting the profile, the tweet author's profile, and doing the analysis. This so the result here should be I want it should be in like a structured response that matches the schema defined in this types file, right? It should be like, I wouldn't say it's an instance, but I think you could call it an instance of the website analysis requirements. But it's not really at whatever. Now to add the structure, I do have, like, if I do run this, this is called visit profile, a sample response of what it gives me. So visit profile. Okay, so visit profile, or there's no other visit profile. Ugh, I have no idea. I guess that's maybe analyze profile. And so it sample responses. I found blah 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 blah. I don't want this. This is all text. I need it to be um, like an object with these two properties. Okay, so I have done this with a previous job, which is this one. And the way I did it was the agent needs a controller. So, not analyze profile, not that one. This agent here needs a controller, and that controller needs to have some logic attached to it. So if I go here, oh gosh, great. Oh, my. Great. So I'll just copy that